Hello everyone, it's 3 a.m. in the morning and today we are going on a new location. I will show you and tell you how you can always get a good composition even though you haven't been to the place yet.
I am on my way to Matayur right now. I am on the road already. Matayur is a mountain, it's 1642 meters tall. Few more bends and we will be on the parking.
The light this morning is just incredible and I will take a photo just of the parking lot because I'm afraid I will lose this light once when I go up the hill. I will do a panorama ISO 64 f5.6 70 millimeters.
It can be quite challenging if you're in a new spot and you don't know where to look for a decent composition. So, what are the tricks about how can you do it? I'm sure that you know that feeling when you're walking around and you see something with the edge of your eye and it takes your attention just for a split second and then it's gone. And that something was something interesting for the eye and usually is also interesting if you take a photo of it. If the previous tip didn't work for you, nothing got your attention, just start looking closer to the ground. There will be usually a flower, a leaf, a branch, maybe a stone or something like that, that can make a really good foreground subject. It's 7:30 in the morning, I arrived at the top, I'm alone. And the view is fantastic. The valley behind me is full of mist, so we have another composition. The last photo from the top of the mountain, maybe it's good, maybe it's bad. You already know it, if it's good or bad, because you've already seen it. I will see it only when I come home. Yet again I've done the same thing as in the previous video. I managed to lose the screw to my gimbal. I'm not really optimistic today that I will find it. I am still retracing the path I took to go up to the mountain, but so far nothing. No luck this time. I couldn't find it, but I don't care really. I will just order a new one. Hopefully it's not too expensive. It shouldn't be, I guess. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope you liked it, that you learned something new, and if you did, please consider subscribing down below. I will be making more videos just like this one, and I will see you around. I'm also curious, what are your methods of finding a composition in a new location? How do you do it? Let me know in the comments below.